It's Top Hat John, and we are on Woodward Friday night. It's a 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire. Starfire's 1962. This was the second year of it. Nice thing about it, we've got the gentleman that built this car right here with us, so we're going to have a chance to talk to him. There he is, Mr. John. I am so glad we ran into you.
Hey, it's Eric, Muscle Cars Larry, coming at you today. Normally I do an episode of What's in Your Garage. Today it's going to be a What's on frickin' Woodward Avenue right now. Check out all these crazy people here. But the star of the show is an Oldsmobile
Starfire.
So, my bad, Oldsmobile Starfire. Stay tuned. We're going to full interview right now. And what's your name, sir?
My name is Paul Kemp. I live in Sterling Heights, Michigan. I've been building cars and driving cars all my life.
No kidding. So, ask some questions.
Well, Paul, you know what we got to do? We got to talk about this fabulous car. First of all, this trim. That's about $10,000 today. I don't know how you found all this stuff, but I remember the day that you were bringing this car home, and we were on the corner of Cass.
We need you guys close to the car.
We were on the corner of Cass and Crash, and here you are with the blue car on. The rest of it is history. What's the drivetrain in it?
The drivetrain is LS2 out of a 2007 SS Trailblazer. It's an aluminum block 4L60 trans, so it's a resto mod. It has all new underpinnings, old school outside.
Well, we're going to pop the hood in this in a minute, but let's do a walk around this way. Talk to us about the paint, the trim, all that cool stuff.
I painted it in my garage by myself.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Let's get up to it. Be proud of it. What color is the paint?
The paint is off a 2016 Ford Mustang. It's a ruby red metallic dry coat.
That's cool.
This is probably about the fourth or fifth car I painted, so I got a little better as I went on.
Oh, there you go. Right on. Right on. So,
one of the neat things about this, Paul, and I know it, and you know it, the interior. This is exactly the way the factory built it, including.
Can I get in there and video?
You can include the floor mats. That's the way it.
I like the footwell lights.
Yeah.
That's classy. What year is this?
This is 62.
Wow.
Take a look at the steering wheel.
Now the speedometer has no needle. It has a rolling drum in here, so it starts out as green till it gets to 35, then it goes to yellow till about 60, and then all red after that.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
And then all the
old school ventilation stuff. Old school manual mirror.
Yeah.
Is it a mirror?
No, that's the windshield wipers.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, no, that's the windshield wipers. So it's.
Look at this old school.
And the clocks, and look at them ashtrays. If you pull one of them things down right in the middle there.
Right here?
Handle, yeah. Grab it. It's the old school ashtray.
I'll be damned.
With the
That is
light
so
right
cool.
next to it.
I wish we had better light in here, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
This is cool. And this old school, this is Sirius center console the way it came.
Yeah, except for the new controls for the air conditioning.
Okay.
And the air suspension.
Okay.
The air suspension.
That's right there, right?
Yeah.
God, this is really cool, man. And I love this.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to get a better light of that.
Too. I don't know if we can pick them up. No, we're not going to pick them up.
You know what? I actually have the ability in my editing software to brighten it up here a little bit.
Yeah, that's
so
good.
this is cool. Dude. And then look at this interior. It's so
been replaced because it's exact, but the old stuff was so dry rotted.
Right. So this is exactly what it looked like back in the day.
But all of the sides, this is all original. This is just the way it came.
This is so cool. Oh my word.
I mean, you look at the trim, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of trim.
Plus down here, your rocker panel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Star there. Now, some of this trim I physically made in a machine shop.
Did you really?
Yeah, I couldn't buy these pieces up front here because they were made out of white metal. This piece right here. So that's machined out of a bar of aluminum and polished, and we stuck it on there.
That's cool. I love the gills.
And these
This is a
cars
cool
are noted
effect.
for losing this trim piece.
Oh, is that right?
So I had to build one of those.
Did you really?
Can't buy them.
Golly, that is so cool.
Yeah.
Now let's work our way. This is just absolutely gorgeous car. Let's work our way back around here to the trunk area.
Yeah, and the taillights. That's your jet looking taillights back today. Same thing again. You got trim.
Look at all that trim. And you had all this trim done yourself, or you had to redo it yourself?
I had to redo it myself. I mean, I had set the bumpers out to get re-chromed.
Is the trunk done?
It's huge.
Wow, there's a mother-in-law apartment in there. Dang.
Oh my God.
What's up, man? This is gorgeous.
Yeah, it's got all my air controls are behind that.
Right back there, okay, okay.
And I made all these panels and put the carpeting in.
This is so cool. I love the look. I mean, it's like a very, very sexy look.
It fit the car well, the paint job.
Yeah.
And all that.
It looks really, really cool.
I'm real proud of the way it came out.
Oh, I bet. I would be too, man.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Now the front bumper is an actual two-piece bumper, so there are two bumpers on there. The wing windows and wipers that cross.
I like the way it's kind of squared off in the front.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
This is one bumper here, and then that's the other bumper. And then we're two physical pieces.
The car is absolutely beautiful. One of the comments I'd like to make is the engine. The standard engine of these cars was Oldsmobile's largest, 394 cubic inch, 345 horsepower. There's a big difference in it today.
Oh, yeah.
So let's take a look. You know how I like to save, what do I call the engine? The diamond in the setting? Oh my God. That's a powerful diamond in the setting.
And it had about the same horsepower of this engine as the original engine, like a 395 horsepower.
So now, earlier you said what the engine was, but I want to talk about the engine now that we're looking at the engine. So what is the engine?
The engine is a LS2 Chevrolet small block. All modern fuel injection. Starts and runs and drives.
Honey, I love what you've done with the place.
Yeah.
This is cool. I like the brake booster and the reservoir in the body color.
Yeah, I had to do all that.
We're gonna have some pizza. You hungry?
In most of your cars, you only have one latch to latch the hood shut. This thing's so big they put two on.
I'll be damned, they did, didn't they? How long did it take you to do this car?
I worked, so it was a weekend project. Probably 4 years a weekend.
About how many hours total, you think?
Yeah, long weekends, but even during the week, I couldn't even add the hours up.
Really?
Or the cash.
Okay, yeah, I get you.
Yeah.
This is absolutely gorgeous. I appreciate you bringing it out here. All right.
Appreciate you looking at it.
No sweat. Only here on Muscle Cars with Eric, you can hang with me and these cool cats here at the Woodward Dream Cruise 2025. Stick around for more cool shit only on Muscle Cars with Eric. See ya.